Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Richard's Big Adventure, where every day is another adventure. Garbage day today. We're doing a little scrapping. Come join along and see where we got all this. We got a pretty nice load today so far. Could have been better, but we'll take what we got there. But join along. See where we got all this. Thank you. I'm gonna come back and get those. Okay. I will go ahead and get this. Okay, we had a little problem with the sound on this part, so I'm going to have to narrate it for you. And anyway, we came up on this grill. This was a pretty good find. I knew it had some weight to it, so we're going to try and get it. It's a little bit hard to load one of these because my truck is so high in the back. If I get it out on the road, I can't get it in the back of my truck. So I got do a little finagling here. We're going to check it out, see what we got in there that might we can take out and make it weigh a little less, so it won't be quite so hard to load. But anyway, we're going to look around in there, see what else we got, and lo and behold, this grill has a propane tank in it. I never expected to find a propane tank in a grill somebody was throwing away, but this tank was full, and I never expected to find a full propane tank inside of a grill that somebody was throwing away. People throw the darndest things away. I don't understand. Anyway, had to back the truck up backwards to the curb. That's the only way I could get the tailgate low enough to get the grill on it. Now that gives me about a foot and a half extra height. So in the process, we knocked the grill over, which made a big fuss. I'm sure we had a few neighbors out there to see what was going on. But anyway, we wrestled it on there somehow. And wrestle is exactly what we did. We still got parts falling out of it. I don't know where all them parts came from. Anyway, we got it up to the tailgate. I think. And at some point here, you'll notice that there's a white truck
in the top of the picture with a yellow flashing light on it. Now this was one of the city trucks.
That ain't gonna
He
work.
was sitting there with his flashers on and his yellow light flashing. I think he was just kind of running interference for me, to be honest with you. But I sure did appreciate it. But I figured maybe I'd better get out of his way as quick as I could. We finally got this wrestled on there. And got it up in there far enough. Put a couple of these other little scibal pieces, cast iron pieces and what have you on there.
And I hope you can get by.
And I sure hope this truck can get by.
This is even stranger. I got a whole tank of gas out of this thing. Okay guys, looks like I got it tied down. Pretty sure I do. I hope that works. We'll see. We'll take it easy for a while. Anyhow, let's see how it's going over. We'll see y'all in a minute.
I might have to narrate this part for you too, guys. We rolled up on these. I think there's 3 chairs here, but they were scrap. Every little bit helps. I got where I throw it all on there just about. So we're gonna get it.
Wow. Looks like 2 satellite dishes. Alrighty.
Okay, seem to have some problems with my camera this day. I got this folding chair, plus I picked up a microwave along the ways here somewhere. I also went back and got the rest of that pool that I left at the beginning of the video.
Alright guys, it had 382 pounds and it turned out to be $7. So that wasn't too bad for a couple hours work in the morning. I was happy with that. But if y'all don't mind, I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't mind, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment. And we'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.